Nature is brimming with fascinating phenomena that captivate us with their complexity and beauty. Here are 5 fun facts about nature that are sure to pique your interest. Firstly, did you know that strawberries are the only fruit with seeds on the outside? Each strawberry has about 200 seeds on its surface, making it quite unique among fruits. Secondly, the Amazon rainforest is responsible for producing more than 20% of the world's oxygen. Often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, this dense and diverse forest plays a crucial role in maintaining the planet's atmosphere. Thirdly, honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Honey's unique chemical composition makes it resistant to bacteria and other